This is the shot that was in Classic Toy Train magazine, February issue of 2021. The waterfalls, I made that, put down some wax paper and took some clear caulking and put a bead across about 12 to 18 inches long. Did 4 or 5 of those, and then took a wooden skewer and then just kept stroking it, and then you let it dry, and you can peel it off the wax paper and cut it to length. So then what I did was, behind the waterfalls, I painted white, and then down at the very end of the waterfalls, the edge where the water looks like it's bubbling up or foaming up and rushing down, and that turned out pretty good.